preparing business graduates for the Agentic AI era. This shift is not just about using AI agents to teach students. It's about empowering students to create and supervise their own AI agents to help them run a business. Let's move away from focusing on what students shouldn't do with AI, and instead focus on preparing them for what they must do. AI provides the intelligence, while Monsoon SIM provides the business reality. Together, they prepare graduates to be more than just AI users. By combining large language models with real business environments, students learn to solve real problems and create genuine impact through better decision-making. Learners take control by designing specific agents from sales to finance, while bounded reality allows them to focus on one competency at a time. The difference is clear. The combination of business simulation and Agentic AI enables learners to make better decisions, ask better questions, and develop stronger business judgment. The future of business education cannot simply be explained. It must be experienced.